Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of the Globe Collaborative. If you are interested in clean living and then also the convenience of having special items or special cleaning items sent to your home, to your doorstep, please try the Globe Collaborative. This is an amazing concept. I love it. So this is a box that I received. Now with the Globe Collaborative, you can actually pick and choose the different things you want. They have so many wonderful things and the smells are completely heavenly. You know, it just has that clean sense of smell. So I've partnered with them. And for my YouTube followers and subscribers, they're actually going to give away a 5-piece gift set for free. So I will leave a link to that link to go and claim your gift. But it will be in the description box below. But first of all, everything is packed so neatly and wonderful. I mean, they want to make sure that you have everything that you need. So this is something that I get each month. These are the silicone sponge cloths. Now, I actually use these to wash dishes. Now, I do have a dishwasher, but I'm one of those people that love, well, I'm not going to say I love to wash dishes, but I want to wash dishes with my hands so I can just kind of get in there and make sure everything is clean. Because sometimes, you know, especially when you have kids or teenagers that put things in the dishwasher, they don't rinse them out and it just gets, you know, it's just a waste. You have to wash them anyway. So anyway, these are wonderful. I love these. These are like a staple. Okay, the next item. Now, I have not used this before. This is the cooktop cleaner and protectant. So if you are interested in seeing how this, you know, works on the stove, let me know and then I can actually shoot a video on it. But I'm always looking for ways to keep that stove top clean. Okay, this is Perimeter Pest Power. So I noticed where the baby was sitting in the kitchen, she was dropping food, and even though we would try to sweep, there were some ants that were coming in. So I said, you know what, I'm going to use some of this ant stuff, but we ended up getting rid of the problem before we needed it. So I'm happy that I have this now just to have in my inventory of items. But once again, you know, these are clean items or green items, so you don't have to worry about any harmful pesticides or fumes or smells, because in my home, you know, we all have allergies and eczema and those things. Okay, this is a dish soap that I love. It is wonderful. I use this to wash my dishes and when I had bottles. You know, she's 2 years old now, so she doesn't have bottles anymore. But this is the dish soap that I use, and I absolutely love it. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, we have some 7th generation sensitive skin clear and free baby laundry detergent. So this is really good stuff. So I'm really happy to use it. I've actually bought something like this online before, but when I found out that it was available online with the Globe Collaborative, I said, you know what, hey, let me add that to my cart. Okay, now I also have the hand soap. Now this is Mrs. Meyer's as well, and this is great. I'm definitely going to use this. I actually normally keep the 2 of these by my sink, and you know, when we wash hands, we use this. When we do the dishes, we use this. So that's also something wonderful. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, these walnut scoring pads. Now these are wonderful. I mean, it doesn't scratch, doesn't harm your dishes, but this is really good for, you know, doing a deep clean. And then the microfiber all-purpose cloths. If you do not know what to do with these, you need to binge watch Clean My Space with Melissa Maker, because she will tell you, I mean, there's like 1,000,001 different uses for these. These microfiber cloths are wonderful. I love them. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Okay, now we also have some scrubber sponge. So this is really good as well. Like I said, what I normally do is I use these until I can't use them anymore, and then I have another box coming, and they just keep replenishing themselves. So that is actually everything in my box. So I'm really happy with everything that I have here, and I don't have the price, but I think I end up paying like around $25 for all these things. So that was really, really, really good. So I'm going to show you again what I have. It's the 7th generation laundry detergent, some hand soap. This is Mrs. Meyer's. Once again, Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, the Globe Collaborative all-purpose cloth, the scoring pads, and then also the sponge. I also have this real simple cooktop cleaner and protectant. So this is really good. When you're cleaning your cooktop, you also want to make sure that you're protecting it as well. And then we have some of these silicone sponge cloths. These are wonderful. They're worth their weight in gold. And then this pest powder, which I'm probably not going to get a chance to use, but I have it. So all in all, this whole set was really good. It was really affordable. Now with the Globe Collaborative, like I mentioned before, I'm going to put the link below. And then I'm also going to write a blog post about it and just kind of show you how I do or how I clean with certain things. And my viewers or my subscribers are going to get a free $35 or free 5-piece gift set of items that they select that they think would go wonderful for your starter kit. So please definitely take advantage of that. These products are good and clean. And then also, if you like it, feel free to share it with your family and friends. And some of these items you can also give, and be friendly or be generous with your gift set, because you might want to give that as a gift to someone. Well, once again, please subscribe to this channel and then also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.